Hi guys, and welcome back to Crypto News. Today we're going to be looking at WIF from a technical analysis perspective and also looking at some very key potential buying areas for this asset to see basically how much money we could be making if we're essentially to hold this in a hodl strategy for the next 6 to 12 months or so. Very interesting price predictions coming up towards the end of the video. Guys, if you like the content, smash a like on it. You know what to do. Continuous updates coming through on this channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and get that notification bell on, and you're never going to miss one of our uploads here on this channel. So starting off just on the WIF website, as you can see, it's literally just a dog with a hat. If you've not heard of this before, I do think this has got absolutely huge potential for the next sort of 6 to 12 months or so, as I just did say there. So just breaking this down from a technical analysis perspective to start this off, guys, as you can see, we've got market structure. Market structure basically determines what direction the asset is essentially moving in right now. And right now, the market structure on the macro for this asset is actually bullish, okay? The confirmed high lows that we do currently have, we have the most recent one down at $1.96 and the one below that at around $1.69. Love to see it. So these are the areas we need to actually be looking out for that level of respect, okay? Yes, we did see WIF hat really explode to the upside most recently with all of the capital flowing into meme coins in the cryptocurrency space right now. And we did see basically all-time highs of around $4.87, which is just about half of where we are now, okay? It's just about half of where we are now, which is, again, very interesting. And this is the reason why we're doing this video today, is because it's in a very interesting stance right now. It's in a very interesting stance, and there is essentially money to be made, okay? And what I mean by that, guys, there's a pretty amazing buying opportunity right now for this asset, and I'm going to go into levels. I'm going to go into price predictions, so try not to be itchy in your seat, because this is going to get very interesting and very profitable very quickly, okay? So let's just talk about, very simply, trend lines to start this off, guys. As you can see, we've got a very strong trend line coming through like so, and you can see essentially the support from this trend line is pretty goddamn big, okay? It's looking really good. Now, the momentum from this zone as well is also really good. You've got basically a 2x there. You've got near enough a 2.5x there. And then you've got 30%, 35% there. You can see 45% there. And where are we right now, guys, in terms of the price? Let's just zoom in. We're literally sat directly on that trend line, okay? So the momentum from that trend line, we know, is already really good and really profitable. And that's why I do think that we are looking at a potential move here for dog with hat. And it's going to be around, just to be safe, just to be cautious, going to be around 8% move to the upside here. Just basically playing on this level of support and basically coming all the way up to this Fibonacci retracement area at the 0.5. Okay, we know that's a very crucial area here, especially for an asset like this. Now, let's talk cryptocurrency, guys, because we know, okay, we know what happens after the Bitcoin halving. Essentially, what it means is a lot more capital flows into the cryptocurrency space, and the first sort of assets that really do see the green light come on and the capital actually go into them first is an asset like WIF. It's the meme coins, it's the Doge, it's the SHIB, it's the Floki, it's the WIFs. It's pretty much set in stone, because if you think of it from an investor standpoint, some of these investors, they don't really know about cryptocurrency, and they're just coming into a new space, and what's the easiest thing for them to understand? It's simply a meme coin, right? And that's why you see a lot of influx of capital coming into these meme coins. So this is another reason, another bullish reason why we are looking at WIF hat today. And again, as you can see, massive symmetrical triangle chart pattern in an uptrend does mean it's a bullish pennant chart pattern as well there, guys, which technically does mean there is a potential breakout scenario here, which we could be looking for another lucrative gain here when we do see us potentially break to the upside. But for the short term, for the next couple of weeks ahead, what we're looking out for here, guys, is going to be, well, the next sort of week ahead is going to be a nice move for WIF of around 8.44% up to the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. Now, let's get into price predictions. Let's get into buying zones for this asset to see how high this could potentially be going in the next 6 to 12 months or so. And get your seatbelts on, guys, because this is it's going to get very exciting. Even if you were to buy this asset now and hold it, it's just ridiculous how high this can go. So Let's go on to a CMC here and let's see what the current market cap of this asset is. Currently at around $2.698 billion in terms of market cap, right? So we're just going to say $2.7 billion market cap, and that's still really low, believe it or not. It is really low, believe it or not. So let's go to quite a famous competitor in the meme space, and just let's compare with Doge, okay? I know it's a bit outlandish, okay, but Dogecoin is currently sat at a $20 billion market cap, okay? Currently $20 billion market cap in this current market, right? So if we look at the Doge chart right now, we can actually see the price of Doge is around 14 cents, when before, when it hit all-time highs, it was all the way up at around 68, 70 cents there. So really massive price movement there for Doge for when it actually comes back to its all-time high. What does this tell you? It tells you that the market cap for Doge, when it's at its all-time high, is going to be near enough $90 billion. So in terms of using Doge's current price as a price prediction for a potential all-time high for the next run for WIF, I think it's very achievable, right? It's very achievable. So that would be putting WIF at a $20 billion market cap, okay? $20 billion market cap for this asset. What does that do to the price of WIF, okay? So technically right now we're at 2.7, okay? If we were to 10x WIF right now, that would be around a $27 billion market cap. So we're not going to be doing 10x. We're probably going to do around 8x for this asset. And guys, remember, that's still conservative, okay? So let's go over to the chart and let's just see what price this asset would be if you were to say buy it from this area and just hold it for 6 to 12 months or so, and let's see how high an 8x will take us, okay? Absolutely crazy stuff here in terms of this price. This will put this asset literally on a price prediction of around $21 a coin. Unbelievable. That is absolutely unbelievable, but yet still conservative, because remember, the height of Doge when it hit its all-time high in the previous bull market, guys, that was what did we say, 89 billion? 89 billion, and that's what we're doing, a price prediction for WIF. This is still a quarter. This is 25% of the way to what Doge's all-time high was before. So it just makes you think, if you were to buy this asset now and hold it, you could be making some serious gains over the next 6 to 12 months. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor. We're not financial advisors here on crypto news, but what we are here to do, we're here to educate and give you guys as much information about potential upcoming projects as possible. So again, guys, if you like the content, smash a like on it. If you never want to miss one of our uploads as well, hit that notification bell and hit the subscribe button. And you never will. You'll never miss them. It's as simple as that. And yeah, that is going to be the update for WIF. Let me know in the comment section whether you hold WIF and whether you're going to be buying WIF. I'm very intrigued here. And yeah, that's going to be it. But for now, it's going to be peace out, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.